HostArmada Affiliate Program. Earn up to $200 per sale. We are going to talk about the HostArmada Affiliate Program in this post. The HostArmada is a web host company that offers services like domains, cloud hosting, dedicated hosting, etc. Coming to the HostArmada Affiliate Program, you can earn decent income by referring customers. Table of contents. How can someone join the HostArmada Affiliate Program? For joining as an affiliate, go to this page, fill the details and submit. Once you get the approval, you can start promoting the HostArmada. Related. List of affiliate programs and networks. How can you promote the HostArmada? You can promote the HostArmada using the following methods. 1. Write a blog post about the HostArmada and share with your friends. 2. Do you have a YouTube channel? If yes, then you create a video about the HostArmada. Please do not leave your affiliate link in the description. 3. Do you have the list of subscribers? If yes, then let them know about the HostArmada through the newsletters. 4. You can share your affiliate link in the social media and websites. Why should someone join the HostArmada Affiliate Program? 1. The HostArmada is offering $10 starting bonus for all their affiliates. 2. Being an affiliate, you can earn up to $200 per sale. 3. The affiliates will get paid on time. 4. Once you join this program, you will get support from the dedicated affiliate manager. 5. You do not need to be a HostArmada's customer for joining the affiliate program. 6. The affiliates can track their performance in the real time. How much commission can affiliates earn? The commission rates changes with the hosting plans. Here comes the commission structure. How and when will the affiliates get paid? There is a holding period of 45 days for affiliates to get paid. You must reach at least $100 for receiving the payouts. The payment option is PayPal. What is the final conclusion? One should join the HostArmada affiliate program for earning the decent income. If you had worked as a HostArmada affiliate, then please share your experiences. Hope this HostArmada affiliate review helped the people for getting started. Give a try to the HostArmada affiliate program.